Welcome to Reclaim Treasures. Today we're going to make some refrigerator magnets. I'm using IOD's new release mold, frame mold number 3. And I'm going to use casting resin. It comes in 2 bottles. They're marked A and B, and you're going to use equal amounts of each. I like these rubber caps. They're more precise to, pour. I'm measuring equal amounts of each. And I will stir for about 30 seconds. It's going to be milky in the beginning. It's going to turn clear, and then you're ready to pour. My table is not very level, so I'm kind of turn them around, make sure it went everywhere. These have some beautiful details, these molds. And as you see, start turning white. I didn't have enough there, so I'm making a little bit more for the other 2. And here they are, 10 minutes later, 12 minutes later. I'm not going to use the small one, but I'm going to use the larger ones. Just make sure you always wear gloves and you are in a well-ventilated area when you use resin. They have some beautiful details in this frame mold. I really love this particular one. I'm going to make 2 batches of those. On the second one, I didn't cast the small one. It's too small to be a refrigerator magnet, and for resale, it's not going to have much of a value. So I'm just cleaning up because I had filled it more than I should. I paint half of them with Dixie Belle Caviar and half with Fluff. And I spray paint them with 2 coats of matte clear spray paint. Now I am going over the white one with Fusion's Sterling. It has a little gray tone, and I like it better. I'm trying to see which flowers I can use because they're not as big. And I think I'm going to go with Floral Greca. It's one of the spring release transfers. It's got smaller flowers, beautiful birds. I think I love this transfer set. I picked this floral and trying to mark it and cut it to size. That's a small surface, so I'm using my nails. I'm going to use my nails to transfer it. They really come out very easily because it was already sealed. This little transfer has a little bird on it, and it's very cute. I really like that one. And I like the fact that this frame has a larger surface. So I use the stick that all transfers come with. And I'm burnishing the transfer with my fingers. I'm adding a little more of the greenery right below the bird. And this is it. And I keep going with the rest of them. My little kitty is playing with her ball here. His ball, sorry. Makes a little noise. Sorry, guys, about that. So, and now I'm going over everything with Paint Couture's Van Dyke Brown glaze, just to give the black a little more depth. I didn't want it to look more as harsh. It gives it a little more brown tone to it, and I like that. I wipe off whatever I don't need. And I'm going over all that now with Dixie Belle's Gilding Wax in Gold. All the details and the little lines, that grooves that are around that circle there. Some beaded frame around it. And there it is. And I continue with the rest of them, just lightly touching. I touch only just the high spots, and that way the black comes through right below it and gives so much depth. They look beautiful. Also the white ones, or gray ones I would say. I picked a few of the flowers again. The transfers are very easy to apply. Just takes a little time for the larger projects. And there they are. And you can cut them, and like I cut this one because of the size of that frame. And I'm trim a little bit the stem of that flower, that way I can put it within the frame. Continue to do the same thing over and over until all of them are done. Let me know in the end which one is your favorite, or which one is your favorite frame. There they are. I'm gonna do the gray ones with silver, and that is also by Dixie Belle. And I continue doing that to all the rest of the frames. This lighter color doesn't stand out as much as the black one, but if you look at it in person, it is just as beautiful. It doesn't look as great on the video, but looks more modern, and I wanted to see which ones they will sell best. And here they are. My little kitty has a blast with her ball there. And all of them together. Now I'm going to seal my transfers. You need to seal your transfers to protect them. And I'm going to use Dixie Belle's clear coat in satin. I'm going to do 2 coats. It looks milky, but it dries clear. I didn't have a gloss. Maybe they would have looked better with gloss, but that's all I have, and that's what I'm using. But it would look nice in gloss as well. I can decide which ones I like better. Just let me know which ones you think they look best. Thank you guys for spending time with me. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Connie. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back. Now I want to put the magnets on the back. These are very strong magnets. I got them from Hobby Lobby for $1.29, I believe. You can use E6000, or you can use the super glue with the Accelerator. That's what I'm going to use because I want them to dry fast, and that's instantaneous. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back side and a little bit on the magnet, and you have to hold it because it slides, and just spray it, and that's it. It's done. And I keep going until all of them are done. I really love the super glue with the Accelerator. It dries so fast and it doesn't slow you down with your project. I'm gonna list all the products I used in the description below for you guys. And here they are on my refrigerator. I think they all turn out really cute. What you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love for you to join us. I appreciate you being here with me today, and I hope you really enjoyed this little project. Until next time, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.